Okay, I am sharing some of my favorite things that we linked to on Amazon last month. All of these sold incredibly well. These crunchy things come in two flavors, zesty ranch and pink Himalayan salt. Imagine if corn nuts and popcorn had a baby. This is it. And no kernels will get stuck in your teeth. Amazing. This drink mix is calorie-free and there's no sugar. It has the perfect balance of electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals. It tastes great, and it's perfect for a post-workout sweat replenisher or just to rehydrate during a really hot day. Fruz balls, always a favorite. These things always fly off the shelves. They're vegan and gluten-free. They taste great, and they have around 60 calories per all-natural bite. Yum, no shells on these. Great sweet flavor and 6 grams of protein per serving. Ooh, very exciting news here. Crunchy powdered peanut butter now joins the lineup. I love this stuff for baking, as a dip, as a spread, you name it. Ooh, it's one of my books. This was on sale for like a really low price last month, so it just flew off the virtual shelves. Every recipe has 6 ingredients or less, and there are chapters with main ingredients like eggs, oats, chicken, veggies, fruit, and more. To check out all these finds on Amazon, click the link in my bio or go to hungry-girl.com/Amazon. You'll find them all in my personal lists.